Alright everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. It is 7:56 in the morning. Different start to the video today. Showing you guys some clouds, and yes, I am driving. I will explain that here in 1 second. Alright, so just getting the day started here. Like I said, there's some nice clouds out right now, which was the case yesterday. So super thankful for the clouds, that it's not super hot in the morning, starting off a sunburn in the morning. Anyways, I just picked up a few things in the car. Had to run down to the Platt store and grabbed 200 more feet of LMFC and then 100 3/8 nuts. So some of you might be complaining already you shouldn't be picking up work material in a non-work van, but that's fine. I like getting paid to drive anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. So whatever you want to do and whatever I want to do, those are two different things, and that's okay. So anyways, I went down to the store to, like I said, pick up that stuff because we're totally out right now, so I can't really get any work done. They were going to deliver it, but it was going to be like an hour and a half wait, so I just figured one of us would go down and pick it up. And the material handler went yesterday and he didn't really want to go again today, so I went ahead and drove down there and almost got another ticket. Yesterday, I was going to mention this. I don't think I mentioned in yesterday's video, but why I also titled the video Much Relieved yesterday was because I was speeding to work super fast. I was running like 10 minutes late, trying to make up some time, and I passed two motorcycle cops. And how I avoided a ticket was someone pulled out in front of me, slowed me down, thank the Lord, and then I avoided getting a ticket because I was behind traffic. So anyways, today I was running to the store, just doing the speed limit, and then I got in the fast lane to pass the semi truck. I was going like 74 and a 70, and I was like, you know, I'm not gonna speed because if I get a ticket, that's on me. And I just knew that I'm getting paid to drive, so I might as well do the speed limit and take an extra minute, you know, because I'm on the clock. So as soon as I slowed down, I saw a motorcycle cop and with his radar gun, and I avoided a second ticket 2 days in a row. So super thankful about that. Don't speed, especially if you know there's cops out, but you shouldn't speed in the first place unless you can see a long ways in front of you. Just be careful. Anyways, let's get on to the rest of today's video. Let's see how many lights we can get done. I'm assuming we can get at least another 8 done, if not 9, but we'll see. So anyways, let's get to it. Alright guys, update, it's 10:40. As you can see, we have a few left. We got all these plates in up to here. We got 5 more plates in. We're taking an early lunch because we ran out of lights, so we have to go grab them out of the warehouse. So we have 6 more lights left to do for the rest of the day. We probably won't finish. We have to walk down this road till the end of the road. Probably it's like a mile, so we have to roll our carts down there for like a mile and go grab the rest of the lights. So that'll take a while. So yeah, I'm going to Subway and then grab those lights, come back, unbox them, and then take the mounting plates off, and then we will go mount those bases and then see how many we get done, but probably get another 3 or 4 done at least. But yeah, we've just been going really fast, but the second half of the day we have to give ourselves time to always finish up, wrap up, and then give ourselves like an hour at least to go grab, make like 2 or 3 trips to grab the lights out of the Connex and then roll them over and then install them and then screw them in to the mounting plates that we've been installing. So the second half of the day is always a lot less progress just because of that and all that good stuff. So anyways, we'll see how many more we get done after lunch, which will be about 11:15. Alright, so if you guys are wondering where the progress was for today, we got 7 more lights done, and let me explain that to you. Maybe you already know, but we had to go on a 2.5 to 3 mile hike adventure to go get the rest of the lights out of this warehouse. So we are literally have like 3 lights left right here. Oh, maybe 4. I'm gonna get out here and show you real quick right now. Alright guys, so this is where we stopped. As you can see, we got all these done, all the way around the corner, all the way around the other side. So now all that is left is this first one, starting there, which has to be as close as possible. 1, 2, every spot at the blue tape, 3, so there's actually 4. 3 right there, and then 4 right there. So should be done tomorrow. And then once we finish that, we'll probably just go back, like I said, and hook up all these pipes into the T's, which I can find a T here real quick. There should be a T here somewhere. Literally, they're so far spread out, I can't even find it. Should be right here. Nope. All right, so here's a T right here. So I just have to put the connector on and then into there. So that's what we're gonna be doing. There's probably like 40 or 50 of these. We didn't do any of these down the whole walkway, so that'll probably keep us busy for the rest of Thursday and the rest of my day and week, since I won't be working on Friday, like I said. So I'm going to a doctor's to get my back checked out for my car accident last year. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully that goes good. Wish me the best. And because there's only 4 left right here and I'm at the end, I just parked the whip right there. I'm gonna probably go home maybe. So anyways, yep, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I would love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help the channel grow. I think my coworker just drove by, I'm not sure. Anyways, that should do it, guys. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.